K-Chef, and when I'm not producing music, you can find me right here in the kitchen making healthy meals, high protein, low carb, slapping with flavor. This is Quarantine Cookery with K-Chef. So today I'm going to be making a lean, clean beet, tomato, onion, and shrimp salad. Something like a pico de gallo, but with a Trini twist. So mine is cooking this for one right now because I'm on lockdown in isolation by myself, but feel free to adjust the amounts for how many people are eating. So all you need for this is half a head of garlic, some tomatoes, onion, some beets, some shadow benny, shrimp, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, herbs de Provence or Italian seasoning is fine, a little bit of pepper sauce, and some butter. You're going to want to chop all of this up roughly because we're trying to achieve the same texture and feel as a pico de gallo, right? And for the shrimp, we're going to take off all the peel and tail and everything as well. But everything is all cut up and ready to go, and the shrimp is clean and deveined. I just want to talk about the nutritional aspect really quickly. I'm not a nutritionist, but I've been doing my research and it's really helped me get back to a good level of fitness and nutrition. So things like beets, they have a high level of manganese and nitrates, and they help you to recover quickly from workouts and build muscle quicker. Tomatoes with their high lycopene content are great for heart health, and garlic helps lower blood pressure. So all this is like medicine as food, but who's to say it can't taste amazing as well. Okay, so I've gone in with a good heaping, about tablespoon and a half of butter, a little bit of olive oil because we don't want it to burn, and we're gonna put all the herbs in. So basically this is like a herbed butter. We're gonna put some garlic in it, and we're gonna drop the shrimp in, and in go the shrimp. Right, so we have the shrimp in the herbed butter, added some garlic. We're gonna toss that around some more. Really let it bathe in that. You don't want to cook it for too long though. Just after it gets a little bit more red than this, you don't want them curling up too much. And then that's it, we take them off the fire and add them back to the salad. Okay, now we have all the salad stuff in the bowl. The shrimp goes in, simple as can be. Get all that nice butter and garlic and herbs out the pan into that. So we've added the shrimp back to the salad. We're gonna add a tiny bit of apple cider vinegar and some pepper sauce, because raw pepper would be too much in a salad like this. And some salt. And we're gonna toss all this up with some olive oil in it. A good heaping amount of olive oil. That's it, done. Shrimp, beets, and tomato salad. I suggest you put it in the fridge for a little while, cool it down, and eat it as a side dish or as a dish on its own, like I would.